World Tourism Day is celebrated on 27 September every year globally. The theme being tourism and peace this year. With a very clear message that through tourism we can foster peace, get people together, whether it is Goa, the country or the world. This initiative coming in this particular year with the Prime Minister's initiative of putting up the Yuva tourism clubs all over the country, and our Chief Minister along with us working together to form the clubs in various parts of the state. Today more than 1,000 students are there as far as Yuva tourism clubs are concerned in various schools and colleges in the state of Goa. The World Tourism Day, we needed to make it more inclusive. So then only then celebrating on 27th as we do it at the annual event, we thought of spreading it over and ensuring all stakeholders are taken care of. So every day we have had one event for one particular fraternity and ensuring that inclusiveness is there. And we also recognize them as the best ambassadors of tourism who have been promoting tourism in their own way. Whether it's a shack operator, whether it's a restaurant owner, whether it's a water sports operator, whether he's a person from the wellness area or from adventure area. So when we talk about Goa Beyond Beaches, everyone has a role to play and everyone has a role to grow. So now when we talk about promoting tourism, what can be better than the youth? So we wanted to connect. So here we got the day today and the conclave with the Yuva Tourism Club with a very clear message of tourism and youth. So how youth can help being the ambassadors of tourism to promote tourism in the right way. So as we talk about regenerative tourism, the government talks about Goa Beyond Beaches. It is important that our culture, our festivities, our culinary, our tradition, our heritage also gets promoted. And this awareness has to be there in the next generation. So today was the day when we have had this, which will be an annual event every year, where the Yuva Tourism Day will be celebrated with the youth. The government will celebrate with the youth, pass the message very strongly. And today, through the Chief Minister, we have launched the Yuva Tourism website, we have launched the Yuva Tourism program, and very importantly, we have launched the Yuva Tourism Ambassadors, a new start for the new people to come in. We have had challenges in the past where graduates are not finding it easy or maybe not convenient to come as facilitators or guides to promote tourism in Goa. The scheme is already there from the center. So the gap was the people who were from 8th standard onwards wanted to fill up themselves into this type of a gap where they wanted to be ambassadors. We are happy to launch this program today of the ambassadors, when today a youth who has passed from 8th standard can also enroll and become a facilitator to promote Goa. So he is able to earn, he is able to respectfully earn, and we are able to curtail and curb illegalities. So there are a lot of things which have been discussed. We will be doing annual events with them. At the same time collaborating with colleges, new thoughts have been there. The Chief Minister also has shared his thoughts and the vision plan for Goa and tourism, which is the main industry as far as Goa goes. So I think in the days to come, we will see the new tourism 2.0 with new tourism services, new infrastructure, new thoughts of marketing coming in, and that the youth who have been participating today will get the new freshness that what we are looking for. I congratulate all the colleges, the teachers and the students who have been participating today, eagerly sharing their thoughts, and we have got the opportunity to share what Goa tourism has been doing and what tourism is about. It's not only about the sun, sand and sea, but Goa Beyond Beaches. I thank the Chief Minister for always backing up this type of initiative which will help us promote tourism at large in the state of Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.